80 billion. That's how many land animals are killed every single year just for food. Not fish. That's a whole extra number. Let that sit for a second before we even start the debate. Should humans stop eating meat? It's one of the biggest questions in food right now. 3 arguments: nutrition, ethics, and the planet. We're going through all 3. You decide what to do with it. Livestock farming, cows, pigs, chickens, is responsible for 14.5% of all greenhouse gas emissions globally. That's more than every plane, ship, and train on Earth combined. Here's the brutal maths. 77% of all farmland is used to raise animals. That land feeds just 18% of the world's calories. It's an enormous amount of space for a very small return. Most animals raised for food never see sunlight, grass, or open space. That's not an exaggeration. Around 70 to 80% of UK meat comes from factory farms. Science now recognizes animals feel pain and stress. The big worry people have about cutting meat? Protein. Valid question. But lentils give you 18 grams per 100 grams, chickpeas 19, tofu 17, chickens 25, but plants aren't far off. One real gap is B12, a vitamin only found naturally in animal products. If you go fully plant-based, you do need a supplement, but it costs about 3 pounds a month at Boots. That's it. Genuinely solved. Here's the thing people don't say enough. Food is deeply tied to who you are. Eid, Christmas, Diwali, Sunday roasts. Telling someone to just stop eating meat isn't just a diet conversation, it's a culture conversation. Flexitarian means mostly plants with meat sometimes. No strict rules, no guilt. Research shows cutting meat just 3 days a week can reduce your food-related carbon footprint by up to 30%. That's huge. Step 1. Just notice what you're actually eating. Most people underestimate it. For 1 week, write down every meal with meat in it. No apps needed. Your Notes app is fine. Awareness is where everything starts. Step 2. Replace 1 meal a day. Not every meal, 1. Chicken stir-fry becomes tofu stir-fry. Beef mince pasta becomes lentil bolognese. Same effort, same time, just a different ingredient in the pan. If you're not ready to cut back yet, you can still make an impact by choosing better meat. RSPCA Assured is widely available. Free range and organic, pay farmers